Yeah. Uh. Yeah.
Ever wondered what a Honda Grom with a 250cc engine would be like? Imagine that little bike, packing more than double its usual horsepower. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we're diving into the world of motor swapping, transforming a run-of-the-mill Honda Grom into a pocket rocket. Buckle up because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First off, it's crucial to understand that this isn't a job for the faint-hearted. It requires skill, patience, and a good grasp of motorcycle mechanics. But hey, nothing worthwhile ever came easy, right? So we start by stripping down our Honda Grom, remove the seat, the fuel tank, and the side panels, leaving only the bare frame and engine. Now, this might seem a bit daunting, but remember, every great journey starts with a single step. Next, we say goodbye to the old engine. Disconnect the fuel line and throttle cables and unbolt the engine from the frame. It's a bit of a heavy lift, but nothing a little elbow grease can't handle. There it goes, the heart of the Honda Grom, making way for something much more potent. Now comes the moment of truth, installing the 250cc engine. This isn't just a simple drop-in replacement. It requires some custom work, some grinding here, a little welding there. But when it's all said and done, that beast of an engine sits snugly in the bike's frame. Finally, it's time to reconnect everything. The fuel line, throttle cables, and electrical connections all need to find their way back home. And don't forget to top up the fuel and oil, and there you have it. The transformation is complete. A Honda Grom that once housed a modest 125cc engine now holds a monstrous 250cc power plant. But the proof, as they say, is in the pudding. Fire up the engine and it roars to life, a deep, throaty growl that promises power and speed. Take it for a spin, and it delivers on that promise. The acceleration is brisk, the top speed exhilarating. It's a completely different beast, a Honda Grom that punches well above its weight. This isn't just a motorcycle anymore. It's a statement, a testament to the beauty of engineering and the thrill of speed. It's a Honda Grom with a 250cc engine, a pocket rocket that's ready to take on the world. So, dream big, because with a bit of sweat and a lot of passion, even the wildest dreams can come true.